हेलो एंड वेलकम टू चाय चैट विद लवीना। और हम इस वक्त हैं लैंकास्टर पार्क ग्रैंड लैंकास्टर गेट होटल में, जहां हाई टी बहुत बेहतरीन मिलती है, मैंने पी है। और हमारे साथ आज हाई टी के लिए बैठे हैं बहुत सारे लोग। बट बिफोर दैट आई जस्ट वांट टू फर्स्ट शेयर माय डिलेमा इन लाइफ, व्हिच इज कि हर जनरेशन के जो बच्चे होते हैं वो अपने पेरेंट्स को आउटस्मार्ट करते हैं। बट आई फील समहाउ हैविंग टू किड्स दैट this generation kids are super smart and the next one coming are super smart, so we have to be super smart parents. अब ये कैसे हो? और साथ में डिलेमा जो पेरेंट्स का होता है कि अगर हमारे बच्चों में कोई टैलेंट है तो उसको हम कैसे उभारें, कैसे निखारें। और सबसे बड़ी प्रॉब्लम कि आजकल खासतौर पे कोविड ने इसमें बहुत ज्यादा अपना योगदान दिया है कि जो स्क्रीन्स हैं, होमवर्क भी आजकल स्क्रीन्स पे मिलते हैं, तो उनसे निकालते हुए उनका टैलेंट उभारना, उनको एक अच्छा सिटीजन बनाना, इट्स अ ह्यूज टास्क। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच। कैन आई फर्स्ट प्लीज start with you. You tell me about your talent show so that we'll see how people can fit into it.
जो टैलेंट शो है वो एज कैटेगरी है टोडलर से टीन तक, 19 इयर्स ऑफ एज के बच्चों के लिए है। हाँ. और जो कैटेगरीज हैं वो सारी कवर हम करते हैं, एक्टिंग, सिंगिंग, डांसिंग, रिव्यू क्यूब या आपका क्विज, कोई भी टैलेंट, एनी टैलेंट फ्रॉम टोडलर्स टू टीन, सब। और शो का नाम है इंडियाज इमर्जिंग टैलेंट। हमने अभी लास्ट ईयर सीजन 1 खत्म किया है और अभी हमने इंडियाज इमर्जिंग टैलेंट दे हुनर को पहचान सीजन 2 अभी स्टार्ट किया है। हमारे दिल्ली में ऑडिशन है अभी 21 नवंबर को, फिर हमारे कोलकाता में है, फिर हमारा NRI टैलेंट शो है वो जूम पे होगा।
What is that little interesting? Gagan, you have been dealing with children. Do you think what is that interesting thing that you can give to them?
We give them the life outside screen, physical, and to know about their talent, about their hunar. वो जान सकते हैं, and then they can do physical activity as well.
That involves a lot of time. Where do the parents have that time? What interesting can I give to you that will take you away from TikToks?
I mean, I guess if you become passionate about something, like really passionate about it, then I don't see why you wouldn't do it.
Well, how can I make you passionate about something? I've not asked you about screen. How can I make you passionate about something? Tell me, what can parents do to make you interested in something? Dumbfounded.
I guess participating with the kid.
I'll tell you.
Yes.
Something that you do.
Yes.
Called bribery.
So I have to bribe you to take you to Nandkumar ji's Sanskrit class?
No.
Nandkumar ji, you tell me, you think,
I'm gonna say.
how do we discipline kids? How do we discipline enough and get the talent out? Rohit, you can say anytime. Yes, go on, Rohan. And then Rohan can say. Go on.
You overreact sometimes.
Okay, overreaction. So overreaction
But
doesn't
I
look...
can tell you how to get rid of that.
Yes, how?
I don't know.
Okay. Tell me, how do you keep the kids interested in your class? And Nandkumar ji, I'm going to come to you to ask, how do we discipline without overreacting, without taking things away? So without carrot and without stick.
I think most importantly in today's day and age, the TikTok day and age, I would say it's very important to be at the same level with the kids. So
do the TikTok yourself.
So I guess more than being a parent, I think we need to be their friends to kind of understand and get to that level to make them do things.
So which children are we talking about? 5, 4, 3, 2?
Even 5 and 4. So I've been teaching kids who are 4 years old, and the moment I walk into the class as a teacher, they are all scared and they go into that a little bubble. But I walk into the class and say, "Hi, how old are you? Are you 4? Okay, I'm 6 years old." That's it. I've broken the ice, and that one sentence of making them feel comfortable that, oh, he's my age and he's going to do as silly stuff as what I would do. I think that's what, at least in the dance classes, that helps us.
Rohan, I have a job. You have to crack the ice with him
100%.
before the show ends and teach him a step.
Should I tell you something?
Yes.
You're my best friend.
He has come that. Okay.
Actually, what Rohanji mentioned is correct. Usually at the beginning, you need to push children to learn something with which they are not familiar. You can't expect them to take interest in that unless parents tell them what it is. If you bring them to a class, I can talk about our cultural activities at the Bhavan, wherein we teach music, dance, languages, etc. The minute they see children of their own age enjoying, smiling and dancing, etc., first day they will be resisting. Second time when they come, they will feel more comfortable. Third day onwards, third week onwards, they will be asking parents, let us go to Bhavan. This is what I have experienced in my life. Children at the beginning, when we begin our classes in the month of September, for the first 2 weeks there is a lot of fluctuation. There is a lot of tension in the minds of parents as well as children. After 2-3 weeks when they are settled, children will be asking parents, when are we going to Bhavan? I want to be there, because they have got friends there. It's almost like fun. It's not just no more something wherein people have forced them to do or parents have forced them to do. They have started liking it. We must create that kind of an atmosphere whereby they feel that yes, I want to do this.
Okay.
And afterwards they
Okay,
just
so the
show
carrot and stick both in the first few weeks, and then so you can't get rid of carrot and sticks. That's why I'm trying to say.
Yeah.
Can you get rid of carrot and sticks?
So you can't get rid of carrot and hummus.
Carrot and sticks?
I agree. No, we can't get rid of them. Carrot more, actually, I would say. than sticks.
Really? Carrot and sticks? Can we get rid of carrot and sticks with you
Yes,
guys?
you can get rid of it with adding carrot and hummus.
You?
No.
Yes? Yeah, can you do?
Yeah, I think giving, well, not 100%, but logic for everything. Let them understand first, rather than initially giving them carrot and stick, offering them the first thing.
Logic? How do you logic with a 2-year-old in the middle of the road?
Well, you need to show them. It's the repetition of the things. They'll understand. I've tried
Patient
it.
mother. Patient mother.
That's how it has been worked so far. So
Yeah?
it's working.
It's working?
Yeah.
See, maybe you should take some advice. Okay.
Oh, that's
I don't think so. Does it work what he said? That if you force for a few then you get interested in something yourself.
Yeah.
encourage. I would rather
Like,
not say
yeah,
force.
yeah, not
You
force.
encourage them gradually.
Yeah, especially if it's with other people, because then, you know, like you said, there's other people and you enjoy it with them, and then when you're happy, you learn, you know.
One thing I'll tell you is that this is what you did when I was going to secondary school. You forced me to meet people instead of letting me meet them myself. And when I went to school.
It's my class today. Clearly everyone knows that he's my son. Anyway, so carrot and stick you said we can get rid of to an extent.
to an extent, yes.
But does it work in the case of screens as well, Shuchi?
Well, so far they are at the age where they have a lot of things to do when it comes to screens, like playing or doing activities, or they can get distracted with small things. They're not at that age where you can't fool them actually. You can still fool them and make them do what exactly you want to do at certain.
So, okay, can I quickly ask? So, carrot and stick, how many people are for carrot and stick? Raise your hand.
I would say encouragement.
Encouragement.
Carrot more.
Carrot more.
Yeah, even I would stick to encouragement.
We are all on the screens. We are saying the right thing, are we?
But our ancestors have a special way of describing the relationship between a child and parents
Please,
and gurus,
tell me.
etc. And especially how to bring up children or how to encourage them to do things.
Yes.
It says, I will quote the
Yes.
Sanskrit verse. Lalayet panchavarshani dashavarshani tadayet praptetu shodashe varshe putram mitravadacharet. Meaning is, lalayet panchavarshani, first 5 years in the life of a child, boy and a girl, you pour love to make them feel that they are important. They are loved, etc. Dasha Varshani Tadayat. The next 10 years, Tadayat means not beating, Tadayat means discipline. You have to make sure that they observe that discipline. Love should be inside, but outside you should make sure that they do what is required of them, especially because they are going into the big world. And you don't want your child not prepared when it enters into that kind of world. So next 10 years, you should make sure that they observe discipline. And then prapte to shodashe varshe. The minute they are 16, putram mitravadacharet. Whether your daughter or a son, you treat him or her like your friend. You discuss with them, talk to them. Don't give them upadesh or advice, but just, be their friends. That's how you bring up children.
Oh,
Bring up
that's beautiful.
students.
We're going to take a short break, but when we come back, I do want to understand that in this world of COVID, when we all were subjected to screen, how do we then, with encouragement, do all that we have been talking about? So stay tuned on Chai Chat. It's a special Children's Day special.